If you're having elbow pain, it could be coming from a tight bicep or a tight tricep. Now I can use the PSO-STICK, put it up against the wall, and I can get into this tricep, put it at an angle, so now I'm pressing into the wall, and then that allows me to be able to get into this tricep all the way up into the shoulder connection part, and then all the way down to the elbow. And remember, doing long passes to begin with, searching around for anything that's tight, tender, or sore. And the thing that's nice also with the PSO-STICK is I could switch from being a smooth or to a rough. So I can stay on the smooth and I can go open to rough and get a little bit more of an acupressure into the spot. Now remember, once I find a spot, now I can just stay here. But the most important part is once you've stayed here for a little bit, now let's move that muscle with that pressure, okay? Or I can stay here and then I can move. Stay here for a little bit and then move. And then always finish with long passes. This will help with getting some more blood flow to the area and really help with recovering that muscles. Check out the one for the bicep. That can also help with a messed up elbow.